We had a great day today. Yeah, it was awesome. Oh, Mom is there. Why is Mom looking around like that? Mom is acting very strange today. Oh, I need to see what Mom is doing. Please, I need money. Please help me. Mom is pawning her pearl necklace. She never wanted to sell that necklace. Is our family having money problems? I must tell Dad right now. The market is very busy today. It's so crowded, I love it. Why is Mom here? She looks so strange. Wait, I need to see what she is doing. Ah! See you later.
I want to sell this bag.
I can give you $50.
Please, can you pay a little more? I need money. Mom is selling Dad's birthday gift. Mom was always afraid to use it. Something terrible must be happening. Dad needs to know about this. Dad! Dad! Mom! Mom!
Bill, calm down. What happened?
I think our family is going broke.
Calm down, Bill. We are not going broke.
But Mom pawned her pearl necklace. She said she needed money.
Mom pawned her favorite necklace? Something is wrong. Mom isn't answering.
I think I saw someone outside.
Dad!
Dad, I think someone is threatening Mom.
What? What happened? Tell me.
Mom is selling the red bag you gave her. She said she needed money.
Mom has been acting strange lately. I often see Mom awake at night.
Something serious is happening. We must find out the truth.
I agree. Let's go. I will look inside the cabinet.
I will look at Mom's dressing table. I will look around the bed.
I found a jewelry box with a stone bracelet inside.
Huh? I found a receipt. This necklace cost $1,000. $1,000? Our travel savings piggy bank is broken. Mom broke our travel savings.
Why did Mom use our savings to buy this bracelet?
Oh no! Mom's bracelet broke!
Wait, this is not real stone. There is plastic inside.
So Mom was tricked. That is why Mom is selling her things to get our savings back. But why did Mom not tell us?
Maybe Mom is ashamed of using our savings. We are still a family, and I will help Mom. We must find the scammer and get our money back. Who will join me?
I will join you, Dad.
Me!
Oh no, Mom is coming back.
Mom cannot know about this yet.
Oh.
Quick! Put everything back where it was. Anna, Bill, Mom is gone. Let us continue our plan. Bill and Anna, look for clues in the storage room. Look at the boxes from last month.
Yes, we will.
I will use this receipt to find the store.
Okay, Dad. We will find some clues. We need to check every box. This box has shampoo. This box has clothes.
This rainbow logo may be our clue. I will search for this rainbow logo. I found it! I found it! The Rainbow Store on West Street.
Anna, look! I found a rainbow box. Ah! This rainbow is the same as on the receipt.
They all point to the same store.
Wow.
It is the Rainbow Jewelry Store.
We are ready.
Let us go there and get our money back.
Do you know the rainbow store?
Sorry, I don't know.
Let us split up and look for it.
Okay, Dad. I will look over there. What is that man selling? That box looks like the box in our storage room.
Here's your receipt.
He has a rainbow stamp. You are a scammer! You tricked my mom! Give my mom's money back!
You little boy, do not say that. When did I trick your mom? Where is your proof?
I sell things honestly. Go away now!
Oh! I know you tricked my mom. I found the scammer, but I have no proof.
He is right. We have no proof. I have an idea.
Let us follow him quietly.
We need to stay far behind him.
He is going into that workshop.
He has many plastic bracelets. He is painting the plastic bracelets. I am taking pictures as proof. Okay, we have enough pictures now.
I need help with a scam case.
Don't worry, we'll look into it right away.
Thank you so much.
Chanson Table, Sessimart.
Let me see your bracelets. These bracelets are too cheap for me. I want something more valuable. You are lucky. I have one bracelet left.
This is a high-quality stone bracelet. It is only $1,000.
This bracelet looks very nice. Okay, I will buy it. Are you sure this is real stone? Of course. It is real stone. Then let us check it now. This bracelet is made of plastic. Bill and Anna, call the police now.
Police! Please come here quickly!
I did nothing wrong!
This is the proof. We have pictures too. No, wait, please. I'm glad you guys are here. We finally caught him!
Oh, what happened to you three? We have our savings again, Mom.
We got this money back from the scammer.
Tomorrow, you can get your necklace and bag back.
You all knew about this?
Yes, Mom. We knew everything.
I am sorry for using our savings.
We are a family. We can save the money again. But we should not hide things from our family.
Thank you so much, everyone. I love you all so much.
What do you think about our story today? Let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Play English TV channel. Bye-bye.